Alright, got a Pokemon tin today. Pokemon Go cards are the most I've bought of Pokemon cards in years. I usually just buy a one pack from the first set and call it quits after that. But I got the Mystic box, Snow box tin, and you'll see once I open this. There's the code, the UPC code if anyone needs it. They all come with Pikachu tints for them. All the Pokemon Go tints come with a Pikachu coin. Here's the art card. So I got Magikarp, Blissey, and Snorlax. Just need Eevee now. I do like how they all come with Miltank featured in each of the artworks, since he was a Pokemon Go creation first. And I have to go take care of my Digimon. Got him taken care of. Got 2 packs. One, two, three, four. Again. Gonna buy me this time. Alright, so did not peek, did not change them. Take my word if you want. I don't give a shit. Dark Energy. Ivysaur. Incubata. Chansey. Alolan Raticate. Tranquil. Bulbasaur. Natu. Ambipom. Solrock. And a Mewtwo V-Star. Second pack. There's some spoilers. Three, 4. So V-Star Energy, War Module, Camerupt, Blanche, Magikarp, Apom, Charmander, Eevee, Numel, Charizard. I do like the city background. And Sylveon. And that's what we got today. No ditto. But some very nice cards. And we're one step closer to completing the artwork. that's it for this video.